First at 10 tonight, Hurricane Helene's death toll is now over 200, and that is expected to keep climbing. Volunteer groups continue to funnel into that area with efforts to reach remote, isolated communities as they keep searching for missing people.
And these communities need our help now more than ever, from donations of water to cleaning supplies to even candles for light. News 19's Payne Newman has the latest on donation efforts and how you can help those in need.
Tamika, Ben, everyone wants to lend a hand to those suffering from Hurricane Helene. Luckily, there are national donation efforts and even ones right here at home. Organizations around North Alabama are collecting donations to give to communities hit by the hurricane. And it's crucial to make sure you're donating through the proper channels. FEMA released a list of regulations for donations and volunteer work. They ask people not to travel to affected areas and donate through organizations. While there are national donation campaigns like the Red Cross, we have some in our own backyard. The Russellville Fire Department is hosting a donation drive with local businesses until October 9th. They are asking for cleaning supplies, personal items, storage items, and outdoor work supplies. And Colbert County is hosting their drive until October 8th. They ask for many of the same things as Russellville with some minor changes. Both drives ask for donations of only the listed items. The full list of donation requests and the locations to drop off for both drives are on our website at WHNT.com. And FEMA released a response to the ongoing rumors today. The response says they are not turning away any volunteers or confiscating any donations. Tamika.